Hi there, and welcome. I'm so happy you're here and taking this time just for you. This is your moment of calm. So make yourself really comfortable in a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Before we begin, if you find moments like this helpful, I'd love for you to hit that like button, subscribe for more guided calm, and share this with someone who might need a little peace today. Good. Now take a slow breath and exhale slowly. Feel your body relax and simply listen. Now you've heard the phrase before. It is not who you are that holds you back. It's who you think you are not. And it's true. Most of the resistance you feel doesn't come from your limitations. It comes from the beliefs you've adopted, the quiet doubts and unconscious thoughts that whisper, "You are not enough." But right now, we are gently turning inward to remind you of something important. You are not your fears. You are not your self-doubt. You are more than the stories your mind repeats. So take another slow breath and allow these words to settle deep within your awareness. Good. Now, I want you to repeat after me 5 affirmations that rewire your roots. You can repeat them aloud or silently, and let each one anchor you back into your true self. I release the idea that I am not enough. Feel this truth like a weight lifting from your shoulders, an old coat you no longer need to wear. Picture those limiting beliefs as dark smoke dissolving in sunlight, or chains falling away from your wrists. With each exhale, let go of every whispered "not good enough" that ever clung to you. Your worth isn't measured in achievements or approvals. It's the unshakable truth of your existence. Breathe in. I release. Exhale. I am free. I release the idea that I am not enough. I trust in who I am becoming. Imagine your future self standing on the horizon, radiant with quiet certainty. This is not a stranger. This is you, expanded. Like a seed trusting the dark soil. You don't need to see the growth to know it's happening. Every stumble, every lesson is part of the becoming. Your becoming. Feel it in your bones. This path is mine. Your hands may be empty now, but they're shaping something sacred. They whisper, you whisper, I trust the unfolding. I trust in who I am becoming. I am more powerful than my doubts. Those doubts, they're like shadows, loud but weightless. You are the mountain they flicker against. Feel your solidity now, the strength in your spine, the steady pulse in your chest. Your mind might whisper, what if you fail? But your soul answers, what if you fly? Doubts are just old echoes. Your power is the present moment, breath filling your lungs. Say it fiercely. I am the storm and the calm. I am more powerful than my doubts. My self-worth is not up for debate. This isn't a courtroom. There are no witnesses to call, no evidence to present. Your worth is the sky, vast, unchanging, beyond opinion. Picture yourself placing a golden, closed sign over every critic's door, even your own door. No more negotiating, no more pleading, just a quiet declaration. I exist, therefore I matter. Let this truth settle into your muscles, into your heartbeat. This is non-negotiable. My self-worth is not up for debate. I allow myself to grow into all that I am. Growth isn't a race. It's a slow unfurling, like petals at dawn. You don't force a rose to bloom. You let the sun do its work. Right now, imagine your potential as light pooling in your palms. You don't need to grasp it. Just stay open. The not yet is holy ground. Now soften your jaw, your belly, and whisper, I am already whole and still expanding. I allow myself to grow into all that I am. You are not what's holding you back. You are who's ready to rise. Take one more deep breath and exhale slowly. And as you return to your day, let the affirmations settle deep, like gentle echoes through your body and mind. And carry this truth with you. You are enough, just as you are, and becoming more every day. Until next time, be kind to yourself. Beautiful. How do you feel? If this moment lifted you even a little, please click like and subscribe for more positive affirmations and guided suggestions. Blessings to you always.